Records from the Ministry of Lands and Physical Planning, which we have here, clearly indicate that as of 28th March 1984, the registered owner of the property was Afrisom Export and Import and Hewlands, and the registered owner had objected to the conditional approval of the subdivision by the Nairobi City Council and thus cancelled the request via their letter of 8th April 1984. This is one point which some people are relying upon to say it is public land, that there was a surrender. There was no surrender. And if somebody has that surrender, let them bring it to us. It is now witch hunt. What people are doing is now witch hunt. If you love my name so much, you want to put it there, then ask me. We love you so much. We can't sell without your name. And then I'll allow you to, but not put it in the negative way, like the way people are putting it. So I'm ready to challenge anybody who has counter information